Everybody, welcome back. In this short video, I will walk you through in about 2 to 3 minutes Smartsheet's licensing options. So first off, please go to smartsheet.com/pricing. As soon as you get there, you're going to see three options here. It's the Pro version, Business, and Enterprise version. So Pro, as you can see, is $9 all in USD. Business is 19. Enterprise, you don't see pricing here, and that's because Smartsheet wants you to contact them directly. They will create a custom quote for you based on your company needs. And on the top right of your screen here, top right, we are currently looking at, just be careful, we are currently looking at yearly pricing. So make sure to toggle to the left. If you want to try them out first and maybe try their monthly pricing, make sure to toggle to the left here. And as you can see, the pricing changed. So if you want to pay yearly for the Pro version, as you can see here, toggle to the right, and you see you will be paying $9 US. If you want to try them out and pay monthly, the price is $12 US per month. So make sure to toggle to your yearly or monthly pricing depending on your need. Okay, all of these prices are in USD. Now we're going to scroll down to compare. So if you scroll down, there is a comparative chart in the bottom of the page. So for Pro version, you're going to see the check marks, the features that's available for each package. And as you can see here, for the Pro version, what you are missing in comparison to the Business and Enterprise is conditional form logic. The other feature that the Business and Enterprise version has is team workload tracking. There's other features down here that you can toggle down to or review just to compare the three different packages. The one package that you do not see here is the free version. Okay, so Smartsheet also provides an option for free collaborators. This is ideal if you have a team member who only needs to view or comment on Sheet. So free users can access sheets and dashboards, share with them, but their editing capabilities are very limited. So I won't go through that in this video because they do change. So make sure to read up on what options or features are available under the free access or free package. So that's it. Very basic, high level overview of their licensing options. By the time you watch this video, it might be different. So make sure to go to smartsheet.com/pricing. I'm now going to show you how to create a user account. Okay, so click on the top right of the screen, click login, and then click the create one option there. Now enter your email address here and then make sure that you're in North America. I am in North America, so depending where you're located, make sure to pick the appropriate option. Now check inbox. So it's asking me to go to my inbox, which I will do on my other screen. You will receive an email from Smartsheet. Make sure to click the activate trial link in your email. So now what it's doing is it's asking me to create a password. Okay, so I will create a password here. Just going to save. Skip that. So now I've created a free account. So that's it. We created a free account. Very simple. In my next video, I am going to show you how to navigate through Smartsheet. Looking forward to seeing you there. Make sure to click subscribe and that bell icon so you do not miss my next video